government that has dared to take up issues that other governments did not dare to take up.
They tangane ka government kabalan note ban shimru ya ki issues ki baki way ki government kim note.
Whether you talk of the border issue,
Labikran sapang upod usam,
whether you talk of the sweeper colony issue,
labikran sapang kathem motor,
whether you talk of 8th schedule for the Khasi and Garo language,
labikran sapang kajing rong jo kaktian kasi hagata ka 8th schedule ba kaktian Garo.
whether you talk of entry exit points and construction and functioning of entry exit points in different borders of our state,
Labikran sapang kita ki entry point na ki jaka bafer ban rong sa state ki jongi ban snai ki exit point.
it is this NPP-led government that has done and moved forward in all these aspects, something that no other government did in the past.
Dai kane ke NPP hajing government kawalam ke NPP baki lalle lot ya kine ki kam.
And the reason why this government has taken up these issues is because we as a party care about the people of our state, we care about protecting our people, we care about ensuring that we take the state forward.
Namar ban yada, namar ban riban sumar yang kajong ke state nagata katao ke parti NPP kala sim ya kane ke benta ban yad sekhmat.